Hello viewers, my name is Raza and we will be learning conditional formatting in Access today. So let's start learning. So in today's class, we'll be learning the greater than like highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars and icons sets. So let's start working with the highlight cell rules. So uh, conditional formatting is very easy. It just requires a selection of data and the type you are looking for. Let's start working with the first one, which is if you want to select all the numbers which are greater than 5,000 in cost of 2013. So either you can select it first or it will be asking you for selection afterwards as well. But let's start selecting it first and then go to conditional formatting. And then in the highlight rules, you can go to the greater than, and then you can just select it. And we want to select all the numbers which are greater than 5,000, right? So select it, and then in the text area you can just type 5,000, and then the color is light red fill with dark red, that is already selected. You can just select that way, and then all the numbers which are higher than 5,000 are highlighted. Let's do the same thing for the numbers which are less than 5,000 for 2013. We can do that part as well. So go to the same highlight cell rules, go and then select the less than button. Once you click it, then here you can type 5,000. The only thing is the selection of this part is also the light red fill. So if you select it, then you will not know which one is the lesser one and which one is the higher one. So what you can do, you can always select the different color. Let's select the green one. They were selected. Okay, sorry, I skipped to select the cell. So first you select all of this and then go to conditional formatting, select highlight rules, select less than. Again, here it's asking you for selecting the number. So 5,000, we want all the numbers which are less than 5,000. It has already selected the red. We don't want to work with the red. We want to work with the green so that we can see the difference between the numbers higher than 5,000 and the number less than 5,000 in the color. Like we want to see the difference using the colors. So just select the green one. And then you can see those are actually highlighted. Just click OK. And then you can see all the numbers which are higher than 5,000 are highlighted in red, and those which are less than 5,000 are highlighted in green. So let's do the next part, which is like we want to see what are the numbers between the values. We can also apply the same in the highlight tool. So let's say if I want to see the numbers between 6,000 and 8,000. So first select the entire column that you want, or all the desired area from where you want to like apply that rule. Just to give you the idea, you cannot you cannot only do one column, you can do it for multiple columns at one time. So let me show you that way. If you want to see what are the numbers which are higher than 1,000, you can only you can always go here, and then you can in the like select the cell greater than, and then you can just simply type 1,000 because you want all the numbers which are higher than this value. So you select it and then you click OK, and then you see all the cells which are higher than that value is highlighted. So it is not necessary that you can work with only one column or one row. You can do it for multiple ways. So let's come back to our topic for the sales. So now I'll be selecting all the numbers which are between 6,000 and 8,000. So select the column first. Once you select it, go to conditional formatting. In that one, go to highlight rules, and then in this one you will be selecting the value which is between. So select the between, and here you are selecting the value between 6,000 and 8,000. So type 6,000 and 8,000. Once you select it, click OK, and you see that all the numbers which are within this range are highlighted. So if you want to do the like if in the next column we will be working for the profit, you want to see the profit which are equal to 1,200 in profit of 2013. So if you want to see there are different profits in there are different profit earned in different years, but if you want to see specifically 1,200, you can apply the same like highlight cell rules, and then in this one you will be selecting equal to instead of any other thing. Just go to this place and then select 1,200, type 1,200 in this one, click OK. And all the profit which are 1200, like all the profit numbers or the gains you earned 1200 are highlighted, which are 1200. So again, if you want to apply like greater than, less than, between, or equal to rules, you can apply that way. This is the first thing. So the next part we will be learning is top bottom rules. Top bottom means the top items, top 10%, like in percentage wise or in number wise. So let's do that part. So in the first exercise, we'll be doing the top 10% of cost and bottom 10% of cost 2014. So if you want to see what are the top 10% item, of course, these are only 8 items. So top 10% means only one item. So let's do that part. So top 10% items and top and bottom 10%. So the same, select the entire column, go to conditional formatting, go to top bottom rules, top 10%, select it, and you can see top 10% is can only be one. So it has already selected it. It has colored it with red. Click OK, and then the top 10% is highlighted. So all the top 10% items which are in this column will be highlighted. In this one, only one is there. So like total 8 items are there. So top 10 means only maximum one. So let's select the same column again, and then let's look for the bottom 10%. The same top bottom rule, and then we'll be looking for the bottom 10%. Select it. So it has already selected. You can also increase or decrease the value of top and bottom 10%. So let's say select this one, and then of course we want to make sure that we can segregate it in terms of colors as well. So we have selected the green color. We are selecting the green colors. So apply it, and then you can see uh, the, the the bottom 10 means the lowest one is highlighted in green color. So we have done the top 10 and top 10% and bottom 10%. Now we'll be working with the top 3 items of 2014 and bottom 3 items of uh, 2014. So let's do this part. So again, selecting the cells first, selecting the entire column or the area from where you want the values from or the area you want to compare the values from. Select it all. After selection, go to conditional formatting. And once you are in the conditional formatting, select top bottom rules. And then now you are looking for the top 10 items or top 3 items or bottom 3 items. If we do top 10 items, it will select all of them because there are only 8 items in this one. Or bottom 10, then it will select all of them. Why? Because there are only 8 items in it. So we'll be changing it to top 3 items. So let's say you select the top 10 rules, and then in the 10, you can just type here. You see, when it is 10, it has selected all of these items. So just start selecting the 3, like make it 3. So once it is T, either you can do with the arrows or you can directly type 3 as well. Once you select it, click OK, and then here the top 3 items are highlighted. The same way, if you want to bring it for the top bottom 3 items, you can just again go to the conditional formatting, select the entire column first, go to conditional formatting, and then top bottom rules. In the bottom 10 items, select this one, and in this one, make this 10 into 3 only. And then of course, if you put it in the red color, then you will not segregate that which one is the top 10 and which one is the bottom 3 and which one is the top 3. So you can always select the different color so that you can segregate it. Once you select it, it will be ticked, and then click OK. And now you can see the bottom 3 items are highlighted. I think I selected 4, so bottom 4 items are highlighted as the green. Let me do it 3 items so that you can see it. So bottom 10 items. 3 green. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it means because 5,700 is similar, same number. So that's why it has selected this number as single number, and it has selected 3 numbers, which are the bottom 3 values. So once we are done with it, now I don't realize that the 2 numbers which are 5705 is same here. So that's why. So we have done the top 3 items and bottom 3 items. Now we'll be seeing what are the above average and below average of each product of profit 2014. So if we want to see which one of the product is the top 4, like top performer or or like or the below performer, we can always go with the above and below average area. So what we can do, again the same, select all the entire column, go to the conditional formatting, go to top bottom rules, and then select the above average. So above average means it adds all the numbers and divided by the number of items, and then whatever the answer is, that will be the average. So all the numbers which are above average, it will be highlighting it as the above average. So once you select it, these are all selected with the like light red color. So click it OK. So now all the numbers which are above average are now highlighted in red. Let's apply the same formula for the below average. The same way, select them all, conditional formatting, top bottom rule, below average, select it, and then just change the color, because you want to make sure that you can segregate the above average and below average. Click OK. Just a minute. I think I selected. So one more time, select it all, top bottom rules, below average, select the with the green color and click OK. So while selecting, I think I by mistake selected this one, though it has done all of them as below average. So now you can see that the below average are actually highlighted in green and the above average are highlighted in red color. So this is the way you can use the conditional formatting. And now let's learn the last part of it, which is the data bars and the icons. So let's start working with the data bars. So what we are learning here is data bars to show the sales of each product in 15 and icons to show the profit of each. So sales and profit. We'll be working with sales and profit of 2015. So if I want to select the data bars for the sales of 2015, what I am trying to find out, data bars to show the sales. So I'll go and select the data bars. And so data bars are actually showing the values. The maximum value will be taking the entire of the cell, and the rest of the values will be shaded corresponding to the highest value. So once I select it, let me choose a color. Yeah. So let's see this one. So here you can see 10,800 is the maximum number. So it has the full cell shaded, and then rest of the numbers are actually shaded in corresponding to the value of 10,800. So that is the way of selecting the data bar. The other way is you can also show it in the profit and loss situation. So that is the last portion of conditional formatting. You can again the same, select the entire of your profit for the year 2015, go to the conditional formatting, and then again you can go to the icon set, and then you can choose any of these. So it will tell you that which one of it is like your profit or loss. There are different ways of showing these things. So here you can use any of these cell, that whether you are your amount is going upward, like your business going up or down, or it's an average business. So let's select this cell, and then you can see the numbers which are on the top will be on the upper side will be showing the green sign upward. The numbers which are in the lower side will be shown as the downside with the red color, and the numbers which are within the average range will be coming as a like average uh, or in the like direction rightward, showing that the business not going upward or downward, it's in between. So that's different ways of showing your data using the conditional formatting. I hope you are enjoying the course. Keep learning and keep sharing these videos so that more people will learn these topics. Thank you. Have a good day.